On average today, men have lower levels of testosterone than their previous generation. And this comes with serious implications. See, testosterone can make us more happy, more confident, more motivated, healthier, happier, more sexually active. And on the contrast, a lack of testosterone pretty much gives you the opposite of everything that I just mentioned. So today, I want you to be on the lookout. I want you to make sure that you're not falling under what you should be doing, giving you 7 signs that if you physically see them on your body, it's a pretty strong sign that your T levels are below average. Let's hop into this. Number 1, low confidence. See, one of the most apparent areas that testosterone hits, it's like our sexual prowess. And once you take that away from a man, you can pretty much say bye, bye, bye to your confidence. See, lower testosterone levels leads to erectile dysfunction, or not even being sexually hungry or attracted, or having softer erection. And all of these can really take a hit to your male ego, which will ultimately destroy your confidence. Number 2, you suffer from depression. Because of these hormonal imbalances, you can expect sudden mood swings and even depression. Now, I ain't no doctor, and if you are, obviously go find professional help. But for a lot of guys that have low testosterone, there comes this point where everything in their life is great. They don't even know themselves why they always feel down. And most of them don't realize that your hormone, that testosterone hormone, can actually affect your mood. And when you are suffering from depression, one area that you can always look into is that. Is your testosterone level below average of what it should be? This is where you go find professional help. They'll run blood tests, they'll check it out, and if for whatever reason they are, you can quickly hop on testosterone therapy that can dramatically change your mood. Number 3, it destroys your fitness. See, 3 things happen when you have low testosterone. 1, muscle mass drops. See, testosterone plays a pivotal role in building muscle. 2, you then start increasing body fat. See, as testosterone drops, estrogen increases, which forces your body to store more fat. And finally, number 3, your motivation and drive to actually want to go to the gym, that also drops, which makes it even harder to fight the first 2 things that are already occurring to you, which is the loss of muscle and the increase of fat. So when you have low testosterone, your muscle starts dropping, you start increasing fat, and you don't even want to go to the gym anymore. Number 4, it's your hair growth. Testosterone plays an important role in almost every bodily function for a man. Hair growth is one of those important roles. See, while hair loss is hereditary and ingrained in genetics, one exterior factor that can affect hair loss is your testosterone levels. As testosterone dwindles, not only do you stop the hair production on your face, on your head, and every other part of your body, but you also can even start experiencing some form of hair loss where you start losing the hair because of your lack of T. Which rolls us on to number 5. You can't seem to focus. If you ever wondered why you're always tired or why you can't seem to finish anything, even though you started, you just can't be productive, it could be that your testosterone's low. Especially if you're eating right and you're sleeping 8 hours every night, but you're still, for whatever reason, experiencing low energy or a lack of motivation to finish anything. This is a strong sign that you're doing everything right, but your hormones aren't. Number 6, it's skin conditions. See, with low testosterone comes dry skin and other serious skin conditions like psoriasis. And this was found in a 2015 study where they grabbed 2 groups of men that had psoriasis and men that didn't. The group of men that had psoriasis, on average, had below average testosterone levels over the guys that didn't have it. And finally, number 7, probably the one that'll give you the biggest hit in your gut and to your confidence, is shrunken testicles. See, that down there, that's the factory. That's where the male miracle juice is made. So of course, if there is a reduction in production of testosterone, those testicles start shrinking up because you're not using the factory no more. So if you start noticing a slight reduction in the size of your boys or even a softer scrotum, it could be a clear sign that you're not producing enough testosterone. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. That's it for me today. See you next time.